Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, guess what? It's spring. And guess what I got in the mail? Colorstreet nail polish. Okay, so some of y'all have said, what exactly is Colorstreet? But first, let me just show you the color I got. I got my little, well, let me just show you. I have lots of them right now, and so I had to pick. My favorite is the French manicure, and it is a two-fold one where you put the little white, I think I did a tutorial on this not too long ago. You put the light white tips on, and then you put the clear base over it. And then I also got this beautiful, this is one of my favorite color blues. Love that for any time of year, but especially in the winter. Of course, we're moving into spring. I still think that color blue is a beautiful color for spring. And this is a French manicure with that kind of navy bluish. So that'll be interesting. Never done anything like that. But magenta. It's my favorite color. And it was the lips of Sleeping Beauty on the cover of my 33 record album. When I was a little girl, my mother bought us a record and we listened to the story of Sleeping Beauty. But on the front, the cover, she had beautiful yellow hair and this color, pink lips, and for the rest of my life, I've loved this color. It's a true magenta pink. It's pink. It's not purple. It's not fuchsia. It's a red pink, but it's pink. And it's perfect. How do these work? Well, I'll show you one, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works and what comes with it. It is actual nail polish between this plastic, so when you open it, you expose the polish. And so it has to be refrigerated if you're going to keep any of the little extras after you go through it. So it comes in a little package like that, which you have to snip off the end. It also comes with one of these, which is very important. It's basically a Colorstreet alcohol wipe, and you wipe down your nails to make sure they're good and clean and there's no oil, because you don't want them to be oily or lotiony before you put your nails on, or they'll just come right back off. And then they always give you a little fingernail file, and this one's the prettiest one so far. Usually they're kind of polka dotty. This one's got cherries on it, and it's got polka dots on the other side, but I kind of like the Little Mermaid fish scale one. But this is just good for some people as they do it. First of all, it's good just to shape your nails right before you put them on. I just noticed I have a little nail that needs a little shaping up right there. Okay. And there we go. Anyway, and also what you can do with those, and this is not how I do it. I just use my own fingernail, to be honest. But when you get it, you'll see, I'll show you in a minute. When you get this right to the end, I'm just going to show you with one. I'm not going to do all my nails at one time like I did the other time. But that's how easy it is. I did the whole shebang right on YouTube. It's just so easy. So you come with two sets. And I am going to show you, let's see, which one should I do? I never use the pinky nail because I want to make sure it's got good coverage. So I'll just show you. My nail's too big for that one. So, okay. It comes like this, and there is a little purple tab, and you pull that up. And that exposes, that is the nail polish, right? Oopsie. It's not going to stick on you or anything. Like, it's not wet. It's a sticker nail polish. And then you take the white tip in right there, and and you take that little silver and peel it right off like that. And then you put it on your nail like so. Oops, I forgot to do one thing. Always push your nail beds back, your cuticle back a little bit. You put, oh, and I didn't put on the, what am I trying to say? Alcohol wipe. I know. But I'm just going to do it because I've already started. And you just place it. See how I've got it placed right on my nail. Right, oops. I'm going to replace it actually. There. And you can pull it up once or twice to replace it. Okay, so see I've got it on the nail how I want it. See that? Now you can take the file and do that, or I just literally pull down and use my nail and just cut it off right there. That is how simple it is. Then you mash down on the other side and cut it off right there. And it's off. And then just make sure it's nice, and especially since I didn't do the wipe. You really should do the wipe because it just gets any extra. And look, you got nail polish on. And you can throw the rest of this away. Or sometimes I have used any extra. I'm just making sure I like my edges good. Yeah, I did go over right there. So all you do is I'm just literally using my thumbnail. And it's perfect. Don't look at my little crooked fingers. Isn't that pretty? Y'all, I'm in love with this color. I think I'm fixing to go right back and order it again. Because sometimes they have sales because they're getting rid of a color. And that's what I hate when you fall in love with one. So if you really love one, I order a lot of them. Like, as you can see, I have a ton of them, of the French white. And then there's, always leave a couple of extras in case I just have a mood, you know. Like I might get in a blue mood real quick. And I'll change. You can change these out so easy. You can use fingernail polish remover. They have their own fingernail polish remover. And also, honestly, this stays on so long. A full 2 weeks easy. And so, after a couple of weeks, the little edge right around your cuticle, because your nail's growing out, there's a little bit of space there. And I just take my thumbnail while I'm watching TV and kind of crust it back up, and then I slowly pull, and sometimes the whole thing will pull right off. No nail damage, y'all. So I'm a huge fan. I will link below the gal that I buy from. Her name is Lori, and so her nickname is Rie, R-I-E, and we work together, and she does this as a side business, y'all, and I highly recommend it. And I highly recommend using this because it's just so easy, and it's so much better for your nails. And my nails, look at this. My nails have actually grown because of this, because it also protects them. It's almost like it's not plastic, but it's almost like a little protective covering too. And sometimes over time, if it's really lasting good, I'll just take a clear coat, top coat of nail polish, my Pacifica, and just coat over that. And it lasts even longer. Anyway, I love it. I hope y'all enjoyed that, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!